Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how I usually draw my doodle art, and I'll also give some tutorials. It is important to keep your pencil sharp as it will help you to create thin lines. If you have a mechanical pencil, and that is much better. To start off, grab the picture that you wanna copy and start by doing some guidelines. This is the most important tip. It is much easier if you'll be comfortable when you handle your pencil, because it will help you to move freely. Always remember that there are no wrong outlines. Don't be afraid to have a mistake on that part. I promise that it will be beautiful in the shading part as long as you do it correctly. Another drawing tip is to always look at your reference picture, as it will always help you to shade at the right parts. Do not limit your hands when it comes to drawing. Allow it to be free because it will help you to draw nicely. All of the materials that I used for this video will gonna be placed under the description box below. But for the meantime, I am using a mechanical pencil and a soft paintbrush as well. Here comes the next part of this video. When it comes to freehand sketches, it is recommended to always have guidelines. It could be any shape that you like, as long as it can be beneficial for you. Most importantly, have fun when doing your sketches. No matter what the outcome is, I am proud of you for trying this. Another suggestion is when you're having an art block, always look for the drawing inspirations on Pinterest. It could be anything as you prefer. Through this, it will help you to have wider creativity and imaginations. Lastly, practice it every day. There's no successful works at the first try. We have to try it again and again. And always remember that practice makes progress. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys, and do not forget to leave a comment and please do subscribe. See you guys next time!